It's your boy Cassius Cuvée. This video is a little bit different than the other videos. If your breakout prop is kind of lagging or going slow, which happened to me after they did their upgrade because they got a lot more features going on, and I like to have open a bunch of charts up here. What happened is it started going real slow. So I was talking to customer support trying to figure out what's going on, and after going back and forth, I kind of have a list of things to do that can help the speed. Because, you were trying to trade fast here. We can't be having the screen like not load up. I've got trading view on another screen, and it's like, it's got to sync up. So number one, we want to clear your cache. So look up a YouTube video how to do that. Clear your cache. Number two, you want to only use Breakout Prop in that browser. It's like a dedicated browser. So I'm using Google Chrome, and also they suggested using incognito mode. I do not know why, but I think it has to do with browsing cookies or something like that, not automatically coming up. Anyways, it's just a dedicated browser, so I'm using just Google Chrome, and that is making it so that there's not any other windows open to slow it down. The other things you want to do is if you have too many charts open and stuff and it's slowing you down, because I was going in and it would automatically log me out. It said lost connection, which is real annoying when you're in the middle of trading, or hey, it can be nerve-wracking. One thing they can do is you can change your layout. They say use the default layout. Now, I don't really like the default layout, but when building my layout, I'm going to start there. So you can click on it, and it's going to take you, not click on it, you got to go like that, and you got to hit load. So you hit load. Now, when you hit load, there's a drop down. Sure, you can load the default layout, but they do give you the option to save your layout first. Like if I want to save my layout. So this is how you save a layout. First, I'll hit save, and I'll say it was my 3 chart custom. So I'll save that. That's this one, because I have 3 charts open. This chart, and my Bitcoin chart over here. And so then I'll go over here and I'll click on default layout. So just load the layout. Oh, I could have loaded layout and saved current at the same time. That's what I meant to do. And then it would have done the same thing I did here. So instead, I just go here now. I already saved it. Load, and then I will load layout. They say this will help with the lag. The other thing that I will do, if something seems to be lagging, or just even after a long time of having it open, I will refresh the page completely, and that has helped it speed up a lot faster as well. I really wish this didn't happen at all. I wish it was not lagged at all, but you got a lot of positions open and a lot of charts. You need it to go fast, and lagging is not okay. If you plan on signing up for Breakout Prop, I recommend it. I like using it. You know what your losses are going to be because you put in a certain amount of money up front. $880 gets you $100,000. Basically, it's a good way to learn, because this way your money is already spent, and so now you can trade on here. I would start small because start with small positions at least, because things move faster on Breakout. It's 2x leverage for all of the altcoins except for Ethereum, which is 5x leverage, and Bitcoin's also 5x leverage, and it's built in. You don't adjust leverage on here. That's just how it is. So the price action, like your price will actually move kind of fast. So faster than you might be used to if you're using other leverage trading platforms. So I would definitely start small. But if you're interested in signing up for Breakout Prop, please use my affiliate link that's in the description of this video. If you have any questions, leave them as comments at the end in the YouTube video here. And also, you can hit me up on Twitter at Cassius Cuvée, and I'll answer your questions there about Breakout Prop as well, or any other trading questions you have. Got more videos about strategy. Leave in the comments if you have any more videos that you want me to make about Breakout Prop, or just leverage trading in general, or even strategy about how to make money from trading, and I'll make some videos on that as well. That's all I have for this video right now on Breakout Prop, but good luck trading, and hit me with any questions, and we'll go from there.